In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add texture in Photoshop to give your images a more professional, artistic, and eye-catching look. Whether you're going for a grunge vibe, a vintage feel, or even a soft fabric effect, this technique is super simple and works for almost any type of image. Make sure to stick around because I'll also show you how to make the texture blend naturally so it doesn't look overdone. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open your image in Photoshop. This can be any photo you want to enhance. Portraits, landscapes, or even graphics all work great with textures. Next, we're going to bring in the texture image. Go to the top menu, click on File, then select Place Embedded. From here, choose the texture file you want to use. This could be something like a paper texture, grunge overlay, dust effect, or fabric pattern. Once you select it, Photoshop will place it directly on top of your image. Now make sure your texture layer is positioned above your main photo layer in the Layers panel. This is important because the blend effect only works properly when the texture sits on top. With the texture layer selected, go up to the Blend Mode drop-down at the top of the Layers panel. This is where the magic happens. Try switching between Overlay, Soft Light, and Multiply. Each of these blend modes creates a different look. Overlay gives a strong contrast effect. Soft light is more subtle and natural, and multiply works great for darker, moody textures. Feel free to experiment here, depending on the style you're going for. Once you've picked a blend mode, the next step is to adjust the opacity. This is key to making the texture look realistic. Lower the opacity somewhere between 20% and 50%. This helps the texture blend into the image instead of overpowering it. If your texture looks too sharp or harsh, here's a quick trick. Go to Filter, then Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Set the blur to around 1 to 3 pixels. This softens the texture slightly and helps it integrate more smoothly with your image. At this point, you should already see a huge difference in your photo. The texture adds depth, character, and a unique visual style that really makes your image stand out. This technique works especially well for grunge edits, vintage designs, posters, and even subtle fabric overlays. And that's it. You've successfully added texture in Photoshop in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Photoshop guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.